Good morning students. Today we are going to see linear approximation and differential of a function with several variables. Okay. In previous class we learned about the linear approximations and differential of a single variable, of a function with a single variable. Now we are going to see with several variables. You all know the formula for the linear approximation for a single variable of a function with a single variable, that is nothing but f of x plus del x, which is approximately equal to dy plus y, and we have learned problem using this formula. And differential of a single variable is nothing but dy is equal to f dash of x into dx, and this is linear approximation of a function with a single variable, and this is differential. Okay. Now here we are going to learn linear approximation differential of a function with several variables. You all know, if we differentiate a function with a several variable, we use what type of differentiation there? That is called partial differentiation. That is, if a function is differentiated with respect to several variables, such type of differentiation is called partial differentiation, and we used to represent in the form of dou there. Okay. So here also we are going to use the partial derivative for the case of differentiation here. Okay, because we are going to differentiate for the several a function with the several variables. See, like a from x comma y contained in R square, we are defining a function f from a to R real number, and x naught comma y naught belongs to a. I am going to take a point which lies in a. Okay, I have defined a function in this a, and the point is contained in a. That point is called x naught comma y naught. Okay, so the linear approximation of a function f at x naught comma y naught is defined to be, see the formula f of x comma. So this is what the formula for differential, that is linear approximation of a function, that is f of x naught comma y naught plus dou f by dou x. That is, we are going to differentiate this f with respect to x and into x minus x naught, and here we have to find the value of dou f by dou x at x naught comma y naught. So we will differentiate with partially with respect to x, and you have to substitute the value x naught comma, that is the given point, in that function, and then you have to substitute it here. Okay, and then into x minus x naught plus of dou f by dou y at x naught comma y naught into y minus y naught. Here we are going to differentiate the given function partially with respect to y, and you have to substitute the point x naught comma y naught in that function, and then you have to substitute it here. Okay, so the formula is f of x comma y is equal to f of x naught comma y naught plus dou f by dou x at x naught comma y naught into x minus x naught plus of dou f by dou y at x naught comma y naught into y minus y naught. Okay, so this is the linear approximation formula. Next, the differential of f is defined to be, see, I have told you the linear approximation differential of a function with a single variable f of x plus del x, which is approximately equal to dy plus y, where this differential dy equal to f dash of x into dx, and this is for single variable. I am going to write the same formula for several variables. Here, then we have a f dash of x, that is direct differentiation. So here we are going to differentiate for several variables. So I have partial here. That is the only difference here. Okay. Since we have more than two functions, one is x and another is y, so we have two parts in this formula. Here we will differentiate y with respect to x alone. So we have dy is equal to f dash of x into dx. But here in this case, I have the function depends upon two variables. One is x and another is y. So I have to differentiate the given function partially with respect to x into dx plus partially with respect to y into dy. And this is nothing but the differential of a function with several variables. And this is the formula for linear approximation of a function with several variables. And this is the formula for differential of a function with several variables. Next we are going to see problem number 1 of exercise 8.5, that is, if w 2y square. X comma y belongs to R. Find the linear approximation for W at 1 comma minus 1. So you just compare the result which we have seen earlier. That is, they have given you a point x naught comma y naught, and you have to find the linear approximation of the function W. Okay. So now we are just going to write the formula for linear approximation. My function is W of x comma y. So I am going to write W of x comma y, which is equal to, first thing what we have to write is W of x naught comma y naught. So first we have to find this function with respect to the point 1 comma minus 1, plus of dou W by dou x at what? X naught comma y naught. Okay, into x minus x naught, plus of dou W by dou y. That is, we are going to differentiate this W with respect to y at x naught comma y naught into y minus y naught. So this is my formula, and here we are just going to find the partial derivative of W with respect to x at the point what? 1 comma minus 1, and then we are going to find the partial derivative of W with respect to y at a point 1 comma minus 1. Then we have to substitute this value. Okay. So first what we are going to do is we are just going to find the value of W of x naught comma y naught. That is, I am going to substitute this 1 comma minus 1 in the given function. Okay. So what is my given function here? That is W of x naught comma y naught is nothing but 1 the whole cube minus 3 into 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 the whole square. So this is nothing but 1, and here I have minus. So here also I have minus. So I will be getting plus 3, and this is plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 2, and this is nothing but 6. Okay. So my W of x naught comma y naught is nothing but 6. Next what I am going to do is I am just going to find the value of dou W by dou x at x naught comma y naught. Okay. So dou W by dou x. So that is, I am going to differentiate my W with respect to x partial. Okay. So here I have x, here also I have x, but I don't have x here. So this term will become 0. And when I differentiate this x cube, I will be getting what? 3x square. Okay. So when I differentiate this minus 3x square, I will be getting minus 3y. When I differentiate the x, I will be getting 1. Where 3 and y are considered as a constant. Okay. So except the variable which I am going to differentiate, the other thing will become a constant. So I have got 3x square minus 3y. That is, next what we are going to do is dou W by dou x at 1 comma minus 1. That is 3 into 1 the whole square minus 3 into minus 1, which is nothing but 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay. Next is dou W by dou y. Okay. That is, here I have y here and here. So when I differentiate this, I will be getting minus 3x. Isn't it? And next is here, when I differentiate y square, I will be getting 2y. Already I have 2 there. So my value is 4y. Okay. Now dou W by dou y at 1 comma minus 1 is equal to minus 3 plus of minus, that is, when I give minus 1 for y, I will be getting minus 4 here, which is nothing but minus 7. And finally, I am going to substitute all this in this formula. That is, W of x comma y is equal to, what is my W of x naught comma y naught, which is 6. Okay. Plus of, again this is also is 6 into x minus of, what is my x naught here? My x naught is 1. So I will be giving 1 here, and this is minus 7. Again y minus of, I have y naught as minus 1, so minus into minus is plus. So this is equal to, so now I am just going to multiply 6 plus of 6x minus 6 minus 7y minus 7. Okay, this is my W of x comma y, whereas 6 and minus 6 minus 7y minus 7. 6x minus 7y minus 7. And this is the final answer. Okay, this is what called as linear approximation for w at 1 comma minus 1. Okay, next what we are going to see is we are just going to find the differential. We have learned two formulas, isn't it? One is linear approximation and the other is differential formula. Now we are going to write the formula for the differential, and it is very simple. See, you have to find the differential for the function v of x comma y. So that is, the differential is nothing but dv, and here dou v of x comma y divided by dou x into dx plus dou v of x comma y divided by dou y into dy. Here dx and dy are the values, derivatives, differential operators, okay? And we have to find only dou v by dou x and dou v by dou y. That is enough, okay? So what is my dv? dv is nothing but dou v by dou x, and I am going to differentiate v partially with respect to x. So I have x here, but I don't have x here, okay? So we have, it is enough to differentiate these two. What is the derivative of x square? It is 2x. And the derivative of minus xy is nothing but minus y, because the value of x is 1 and y is considered to be a constant here. So the derivative is nothing but what? 2x minus 1 into dx. Okay? So this is my first value. And the second thing is I am going to differentiate the same thing with respect to y. Okay? I don't have y in the first term, so it will become 0. Okay? And the next term is minus xy. If I differentiate minus xy with respect to y, the value of y will become 1. So I will be getting x alone. So that is nothing but minus x. And here I will be getting 2y by 4. That is, I will be getting 2y by 4 into dy. And we can cancel it. Okay. So the final answer dv is equal to 2x minus y into dx, okay, plus of y by 2 minus x into dy. And the differential is very simple, okay. It is enough to differentiate the given function partially with respect to x and with respect to y, and just substitute over the formula. That's all, okay. It is very simple to find the differential for the partial derivative. There is a